How to add WhatsApp link in Facebook profile. So go ahead and open your Facebook application. And as you open this up, you will land to this homepage. In this page, tap on the three lines on the bottom right corner, which is the menu icon, and then tap on your profile. Now you will be seeing your profile information. If you want to add certain information here, click on Edit Profile. Now scroll down and on the bottom part is the Links tab. Click on Add right here. On the Social Links tab, click on Add Social Links. Now click on the platform and find WhatsApp. After that, type in the number that you are using from your WhatsApp account. Now click on Save on the top right corner, and once you go back to your profile page, you will now see your WhatsApp link or your WhatsApp number. So that is how to add WhatsApp link in Facebook profile. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.